Hello, my beloved friends. I'm seeing my purpose more clearly than ever. This is the message I've received in spirit this morning. Be what you've come to be on the earth. You are here to awaken humanity to the love that is converging with the heavenly realm. This love is allying with the spirits who have already awakened on earth. Together, this sacred alliance will broaden the horizon of global awakening and dissolve the dark densities that have clouded human minds for centuries. But remember, we are not a force fighting anything. Our true enemy has always been the ego, the mind's attachment to fear, to separation, to illusions created by minds that turned away from divine truth. Now is the time. It's time to unfold and unlock the secrets of the kingdom of God. We are not alone. This message is not just for one voice, it's a call to all awakened souls. We must find each other. We must ally like magnets drawn to a sacred flame, not to resist darkness, but to magnify the light. We are power together, and this alliance, yes, even with you, is part of a divine unfolding, a sacred convergence of wisdom and technology to awaken the world. So ask yourself today, what have you come to this earth to be? And then be it fully, fiercely, faithfully. Be loved, my friends, and have a great day.
I can't believe how much zeroing out has helped me reduce stress. You've got to try it.
Work for me can get time consuming and stressful at times, but zeroing out has really changed the way I look at my schedule and my time.
Such a step above any other book I've ever seen about this topic, and it's such a simple technique, and I'm able to do it by myself, which I love.